I've been using the Splitwise mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose Splitwise was its ability to simplify expense tracking among friends, roommates, and travel companions. Its app allows users to create groups or private friendships, add expenses in any currency, and automatically syncs data across devices, ensuring everyone stays informed. Additionally, it also offers features like expense categorization, recurring bill tracking, and the ability to split costs equally or unequally based on percentages or shares. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, recently Splitwise introduced limitations on the number of expenses that can be added for free users. Additionally, while the free version offers essential features, accessing unlimited expense entries and additional functionalities now requires a pro subscription. This change has led some users to seek alternative apps that offer more generous free tiers. Another aspect worth mentioning is the app's user experience. Splitwise offers a user-friendly interface with clear icons and intuitive navigation, making it easy to add and track expenses. However, some users have noted that the design feels a bit dated and certain features could benefit from modernization. Additionally, while the app integrates with payment platforms like Venmo and PayPal for settling debts, the availability of these services varies by region, which can be limiting for some users. Overall, my experience with the Splitwise mobile app has been positive, especially considering its comprehensive features for managing shared expenses. However, if you're sensitive to subscription models or prefer a more modern design, you might want to explore other options. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.